I know it's sick, but I think that I like it. Making up is better than the bad shit. Fuck you, you hate me, I need you, don't walk out the door. Why you have to go and be ballistic? Keep a car, then ask if you can drive it. I love you, I hate you for stealing my vibe.
Hello everybody. A few weeks ago, I made tofu. Here's what I did. I started off with some dry soybeans, and they're very spherical in the beginning. And then I soaked half a cup overnight, and they plumped up quite well. So then I blended the soaked soybeans with water. After that, we're gonna do round one of stovetop preparation. I skimmed off the top frothy part just because that made the soy milk a little more smooth. Then I got a strainer. Cheesecloth would be ideal, but I don't have any cheesecloth, so I just used a produce bag. And then this is gonna give you soy milk. So you could honestly stop here and just have a delicious serving of soy milk. But continuing on, we can make tofu. So we're gonna put it back on the pot on the stove, and now we need to add a congealant. I used lemon, and this is where I made my first mistake because I used the juice of an entire lemon. Mine congealed too much and was pretty clumpy in the end. So if you use the juice of half a lemon, that should be perfect. And then we're just gonna repeat the same straining process. And this time we don't want the liquid, we actually want the solid stuff, which is our tofu. So then you could honestly just eat like tofu mush like this, but I wanted to press it. So I just put it in a bowl with a paper towel on the bottom and a paper towel on the top. And then I put a glass of water on top of that to be the weight. And that was it. Here we have the tofu. It's clumpy. However, it tastes like tofu. I had no idea that tofu could be so easily made. Who needs to buy tofu in a plastic container now? We all know how to make it from scratch.
I know it's sick, but I think that I like it. Making up is better than the bad shit. Fuck you, you hate me, I need you, don't walk out the door. Why you have to go